Hello friends and welcome. Today we are going to talk about 5 expert strategies for success. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Effective problem-solving skills are essential in the workplace for overcoming challenges and driving success. By mastering this skill, professionals can enhance their productivity and contribute significantly to their organization's objectives. Here are 5 expert strategies to become a proficient problem solver at work. Develop analytical thinking. Enhance your ability to analyze complex issues, identify underlying causes, and evaluate potential solutions with a critical and analytical mindset. Foster creativity and innovation. Encourage creative thinking to explore new perspectives and innovative solutions, leading to more effective problem-solving outcomes. Collaborate effectively. Engage in collaborative problem-solving with colleagues to leverage diverse insights and expertise, fostering teamwork and generating innovative solutions. Prioritize and strategize. Prioritize problems based on their urgency and impact, then develop strategic action plans to address them systematically and efficiently. Continuous learning and adaptation. Embrace a growth mindset, seek feedback, and continuously adapt your problem-solving approaches based on lessons learned and changing circumstances. Conclusion. By implementing these expert strategies, professionals can refine their problem-solving skills and become invaluable assets in their organizations, contributing to enhanced efficiency and overall success. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.